some type of art piece.
Yeah. Isn't that bizarre? It's really beautiful.
Yeah, it is. Oh my God. I'm glad you called me in here. That's just...
I mean, that's really extraordinary. How many birds do you think that is?
I have no idea. I don't even know what they're doing. But a friend of mine posted on Facebook some bird activity in Lee Summit a while back. She thought it was just very strange.
Was it something like this?
Mm-mm. And it was just a picture. Oh my God.
I wonder if there must be some downdraft there or something that... is capturing their
Oh, look at that.
Oh, more joining.
Oh my God. It's kind of mesmerizing.
Yeah, it really is.
My phone is like dead, or else I would do that. Just I can plug it into there.
I don't think it's going to capture it like it really looks. That's probably enough.